everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the Hyderabad's most premium luxury residential development located in the prestigious Neopolis township at Kokapet, and the name of this project is Satwa Lake Ridge. In this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, lifestyle amenities, apartment configuration, pricing and the booking process. So let's start with the project overview. Satwa Lake Ridge is an ultra-luxury high-rise residential development situated in the heart of Neopolis, Kokapet, one of the Hyderabad's most sought-after and fast-growing premium residential destinations. The project features iconic ground plus 37-story tower that offers stunning lake-facing view and a truly elevated living experience. The concept behind Lake Ridge is simple yet powerful, combining the sophistication of high-rise luxury living with the calmness and the beauty of waterfront surrounding. And what makes this project stand out is its low-density planning with only 2 apartments per floor and private elevator access for every residence. Residents enjoy a level of privacy and exclusivity that's becoming increasingly rare in today's market. Being part of the prestigious Neopolis township further enhances its appeal, making it an ideal choice for both end users and long-term investors seeking a premium lifestyle. Now let's talk about the location and connectivity. So one of the biggest advantages of Satwa Lake Ridge is its strategic location in Neopolis, Kokapet, which offers excellent connectivity to Hyderabad's major business and commercial hubs. The Outer Ring Road junction is just about 5 minutes away, allowing residents to travel across the city with ease. Financial District can be reached in 10 minutes, while Gachibowli is around 15 minutes away. Hi-Tech City is accessible within 20 minutes and Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is roughly a 30-minute drive via the ORR. This seamless connectivity combined with ongoing infrastructure development in the area and has made Neopolis one of the Hyderabad's most promising luxury real estate corridor. Now coming to the amenities part, so Satwa Lake Ridge has been designed to offer a resort-style lifestyle experience with a thoughtfully curated collection of luxury amenities. Residents will be able to enjoy a beautiful waterfront promenade, lake viewing deck and landscape green zones that create a sense of calm and openness. The project also features a grand multi-level clubhouse, wellness facilities, fully equipped gym, yoga studios. Now let's talk about the configuration and pricing. So Satwa Lake Ridge offers a range of spacious ultra-premium residences designed to cater to different family requirements. The project features 3.5 BHK residences ranging from approximately 2,744 square feet to 5,500 square feet for buyers looking for larger homes. 4 BHK residences are available in sizes ranging from approximately 4,115 to 5,123 square feet. The development also offers exclusive 5 BHK ultra-luxury residences ranging from approximately 5,266 square feet to 5,500 square feet. Prices currently start from approximately 3.9 crore rupees onwards. Large layout, premium finishes, breathtaking lake view and a private elevator access make these residences some of the most desirable luxury home in Hyderabad. Now coming to the booking process, so the booking process is simple and streamlined. Buyers can begin by selecting their preferred tower, floor and layout. Once finalized, a booking application along with a basic KYC documentation is submitted. Then Satwa Lake Ridge is definitely a project worth exploring. With its lake-facing view, ultra-low-density planning, private elevator access, premium amenities, and excellent connectivity to Hyderabad's major business district, it offers a compelling combination of luxury living and future appreciation potential. For the latest pricing detail, payment plan, floor plan, brochure, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.